Hey guys, just want to show you quickly how to check the voltage on your dash. It just can tell you if your battery is in good condition, just roughly know on the crank, and then if your alternator is charging when you obviously drive. So you need to be on your miles on, because otherwise it's not going to show. You need to be on that setting. You need to be on a first stage with your ignition. So just click once, be on that setting, and then you need to press on your steering wheel the pickup here, and you're okay. So right then, and hold. Then you should see this option. So vehicle data, you okay that. That's going to give you the current voltage. And then if you start the car, alternator should kick in. It should tell you if you getting the charging. That's all done. This one is definitely charging. It's 14.6 at the moment, so it is in a good condition. It can fluctuate a bit, but it means that it's properly charging your battery. Thanks.